Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will just cook Vamya out of from fresh okra or fresh gombo. Aujourd'hui les amis, on va cuisiner de Vamya en recette arabique puis avec les frais gombo qui oui. Et voilà. Wow, a very yummy Vamya. So now guys, we will just marinate our beef with 1/8 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of freshly ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of salt, no, not tablespoon, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and yes, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. So just marinate that one. For an $8 worth of beef, I divided it into 3. So this is what we have for our third recipe of the beef. Then we will just marinate this guys for 20 minutes or overnight. And then we will cook the head. Okay, and then I will transfer this with another container and then marinate it in the ref. Yes, so I will just transfer it guys into our little container, and then we'll put that one in the ref. So here now guys, we have our beef recipe, beef steak with the okra. I will do the Vamya style, but a different style of frying the beef. I make it like beef steak style. Then we will add with the fresh okra this time. Yeah, I find a fresh okra. Yeah, I really like Vamya guys. So now we will turn the beef. There's not much oil for this part. It's okay like that. In my previous video, I did a Vamya, but I cut the beef into cubes. But this time, I will do into a steak style. Yeah, peppered steak style. So here's my ingredients guys for the Vamya that I'm going to do. Only this one, very simple. I have already beef cooked already. It's beef steak, so I also include the how I did that one. And fresh okra, I have fresh okra here. My tomato is not fresh, it's a canned tomato from 2019, so it's correct. Only this one I will use. And this one, bell pepper, we have garlic and onion. And this one is spring onion for the last part. So I have tomat and can, beef, gumbo o okra, oignon, delay, et poivron. Piece ito. Alors, on va commencer. So I forgot, guys, I will add also celery. Yeah. Je vais mettre celery. Tout est vraiment prêt. Just the celery. Wait. So everything is ready. Now we will heat the pan. So we heat the oil, guys, there. Yes. And my tomato paste is also here. Yeah. And now we're putting the onion. As you can see, I cut it cube. Yeah. I'll just show you later when it's already brown. So that's our onion, guys, and I have here additional ingredients. Thai chili. I have Thai chili here. We will add this one. Yeah. So now we will turn the onion. I think it's ready. Oh, it's not yet brown. We will wait. I want it to become brown, guys. Let's start. It's okay. Like golden brown. Just like in this side here. Oh my god, the smell is very, very good. That one, like that. So that is what we want, guys. And now I'm putting the garlic. You remove the lime. Oh god. Untuk duri, lonya untuk duri. We don't burn the garlic here. Ito ba? Oh, nilang. Rimat no o najot no gumbo. Now we're adding our okra or gumbo. Nilang untuk tansa. Prema bela. Rimat no o najot no ajut imat no ang baajut no tomat and can baajut sa okay. Met découvert a few moments later, charot. So that's it, guys. We mix and then we add our other vegetable like this one, the bell pepper, the chili, the celery, and I will add a tomato paste also. Now we will mix because our okra is almost done. And our beef, I will add that one also. So I will add only this one. Another one, guys. Another. Like 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And then we will put a cover. Yes. So now, guys, I will add now, like after 2 minutes, I will add now the beef. That's our beef steak. Yeah. And then we will mix it. Since our beef is already cooked, and I just put that one, I cooked that one yesterday. Anyway, I will add a video how I did that one. And we don't put much because our beef is already tasty. So yeah, it's very fast, huh? When you already when you cook already your meat, the beef. So we just boil this one like 3 to 5 minutes and we're done. Our meal is done. We're just yeah. Now we're putting a cover. Guys, I like some taste of shrimp paste, so I will add a shrimp paste, but this one is optional, guys. Because the shrimp paste will add taste and flavor. Yeah. My god, it's now yummy. So after 2 minutes, guys, that's our bamya. Now we will add some spring onion. More. Voila. It's done. Our bamya, it's done, guys. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and comments, and hit the bell button for for more videos so that you are updated. And thank you for watching. God bless us always. Bye. Thank you so much.